Extra coronal attachments. OT cap. OT cap bar. OT box mono. Positioning ring. Elastic retentive caps. Pages 10, 11, 12. Trace a hypothetical line along gingival ridge. Manually break the bar and smooth surface up using a burr cap. Recalling height of the rest shoulder, which can be shortened down to cap level. Insert sphere into normo or microparameter key. Push down O-ring to block in position. Position attachments in parallel, keeping the center of the tissue ridge. Complete wax up and cast. Use good quality investment mixed under vacuum. Cover the attachment with a black cap and sandblast the cast. Check up casting on the model, refine and polish crowns and bars. Use only cotton brush to polish the sphere and avoid wearing out especially of the equator area. Preparation of the model's investment duplication. We will cast a metal box directly into framework with no welding procedure. Positioning ring. Using these castable components, it's possible to obtain a cast box for the retentive cap. Block positioning ring over the sphere using soft wax. Duplicate the model in investment using any material of choice. OT box castable will fit over duplicated shape of positioning ring. Wax up and connect OT box mono to the framework, then cast. Use good quality investment mixed under vacuum. Refine and polish castwork, being careful not to enlarge internal siege of metal box. Insert retentive cap and check how it fits into framework. During electro-polishing procedure, be sure to leave the cap in place to save internal siege of box from possible erosion. Before delivering finished denture, be sure to insert the proper level of retentive cap. Finish crowns and frameworks. Using any Rain 83 product, you can obtain finished work through single castings without welding. Connection between attachments rest and framework will concentrate powers mainly over abutment axes, avoiding any stress loading against the distal extended sphere. Castable and prefabricated metal boxes are designed with precise measurements and leeways in order to promote trauma-free insertion of denture and longer life of retentive caps. Casting of metal boxes simply after duplication of the retentive cap itself will only generate a friction working attachment, completely changing the original concept of elastic and mechanical retention attachment proper of OT cap system. If the cap is extremely compressed, the denture's insertion will work through a friction and will take place after being manually pushed down to the base of the sphere. Wearing out of the caps will result from these extreme movements, compromising the system's functionality. With the retentive cap correctly inserted into the proper metal box, denture insertion will happen with just a light push. Enough to snap the cap over the sphere's equator and click down in place, stable and precise. OT cap Techno. Normal, micro. Castable OT cap bar with pin. Titanium sphere with extra tin coating to be glued. Retentive cap with titanium internal siege. OT box mono. Normal and micro golden mandrels for parallelometer. Illustrated and catalogue pages 10 and 11. Titan cap, precision titanium plus tin attachment. Microsphere, 1.8 mm diameter. Normosphere, 2.5 mm diameter. Elastic outside with an internal titanium siege are manufactured following exact measurements and leeways, able to precisely connect the two portions of the attachment. According to the lab procedures, when cast is done, never expose any metal parts of the attachments to the many heat leaps during ceramic setup. This denture will be positioned in the patient's mouth, but we can be sure its metal parts are whole and not altered by heat disparities. Set the bar with the castable pin in parallel using the proper golden mandrel. Cast, make ceramic, and polish all metal attachment parts beside the pin. Cast pin needs to maintain a rough surface in order to keep composite cement gluing strongly. Cement spheres following parallelism using self-curing anaerobic dual paste composite. Following steps are the same as the past illustrated procedures for OT cap castable system. Clinical cases. First case. Many cases.